Welcome back. I've been using Aseprite to do all my art. I think it's the best pixel art program by far. I'm just showing you here like all the features that it has. It's got a ton. And I've got some Aseprite tutorials on my YouTube channel if you want to learn about the program. But I feel kind of bad because it's not a free program, and I know some of you are just getting into pixel art and stuff. And there's a link in the description if you want to buy the program, but I have a free solution for you. LibreSprite. And so you just click on download here, and then you can download it for whatever platform you want. Now you might think like, whoa, this is some stolen Russian software or something. It's not. It's Aseprite is open source, and so someone just made another version of the open sourceness and made it free, which is really nice. And this is free and open source as well. Not that you guys care at all that it's open source, but the point is you can basically now follow along in my videos and have one of the best pixel art softwares for free, and that's amazing. I'm making a pixel art platformer RPG, and since I just saved you 20 bucks, it'd be really sweet if you backed me on Kickstarter or just wishlist the game on Steam. There's a link in the description. I'll see you guys next time. A Dev Life.